Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you on how to play any Spotify song while playing Roblox games on your device. Let's dive in. First, open the Shortcuts app and create a new one. Add the action Play Pause. Your shortcut should be now set. Then, go to Settings. Navigate to Accessibility Touch. After that, enable Assistive Touch. Now, tap on Double Tap. Within Assistive Touch settings, scroll to the end and choose the Play Pause action. To play music over Roblox, in Spotify, choose the song you'd like to overlay in Roblox. For this tutorial, I'll use this. Make sure the song starts playing. Then, launch Roblox and join your preferred game. To play Spotify song, simply double-click the Assistive Touch button. You'll receive a notification indicating the song is playing. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite Spotify tracks while gaming on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.